Marian's M-Beat.
On this week's M-Beat we have
Maji's event, Harvesting Change,
the senior costume contest,
Name Brand versus Store Brand,
Brooklyn Kincaid committing to play softball in college,
basketball preseason,
and open house.
Now I have Natalia's segment, Maji's event, Harvesting Change.
Taking our seat at the table.
What is this event?
This event is a political youth engagement event to get youth involved in politics, to see what differences we can make in our own legislation.
Why did you do this event on that day?
I did this event on October 12th because it's right before the early voting registration is over, and I also just wanted to be able to get youth engaged right before the big election.
How did you plan this event? What was the process of it?
I was in a group of about 20 other people, and they kind of helped me navigate different ways that we could break down our event. It started off by just figuring out what we wanted to do. We decided on like a youth town hall, and then after that we kind of just went through the planning of how the event was going to go, who was going to be there, and why we wanted this event to happen, and what we wanted people to take from the event.
What are your goals accomplishing this event?
This event was to accomplish just getting youth more involved in politics and seeing exactly what differences we can make when it comes to our legislation that is affecting youth in Nebraska.
How do you feel overall?
I feel our event had a great turnout, and I was really glad with the people that I saw there. We had really great discussions, and I'm just glad that it happened.
Now we have the senior costume contest by Layla W.C. and M.
Marian's Costume Contest is an annual competition between seniors on or around Halloween. They dress up in their best and compete in front of a panel of judges, along with student body and teachers. This year there was Alvin and the Chipmunks, Inside Out Emotions, Jessica Rabbit, the Smurfs and Gargamel, President and Vice President, Steve Harvey's, Diary of a Wimpy Kid, and Soulja Boys. The Smurfs and Steve Harvey tied for first, with Soulja Boys coming in second.
My favorite part was when we hit the splits at the end. It was really fun because it was the splits. Sit on it!
I liked seeing other people because I didn't know what people were doing, so we didn't do anything to prepare.
We literally did nothing. We checked our dad's closets and showed up to school with bald caps.
Yeah.
Steve Harvey Apocalypse.
Yep.
It just kind of just sprouted in our minds.
Yeah.
I really like the Cheese Touch group. What was it? What's the show? Diary of a Kid. It was so funny. When the wagon tipped over, it was the funniest thing ever.
I think the adrenaline kind of numbed it. I didn't feel anything. Greta just got really excited.
Oh, let's preface, there was no practicing.
It wasn't scripted at all. We kind of just went out there with a goal, and it wasn't planned to fall, but yeah, I'm fine though. I'm fine.
My favorite part was deciding who is who and putting the costume together. My favorite part would probably be all of us together that morning before performing, us just in our costumes all together in one spot, brought our idea to life, and it was so funny to see us all together. Next year, more seniors should do it, because this year they kind of bring us out to do it, but I think the people that didn't do it regretted it. The ones I talked to.
Yeah.
That Soulja Boy costume, hey! Now we have Sadie and Ella giving us a fun segment on Name Brand versus Store Brand.
Name brand versus store brand, round one, potato chips.
Okay. You grab it like that?
I got this one.
Okay. Okay. This one? Yeah.
Okay. I know which one's which. I just know this one.
Okay.
I think
This one's the store.
Oh, I thought that one was the name brand. It tasted a little saltier and I liked that.
Ms. Pernicki thought that one was name brand and the other one was store brand. And Audrey, you thought the opposite?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Miss Pernicki's right.
Round two, pretzels.
I think I know my pretzels. I've had a lot of pretzels in my days. Can we feel them?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, I like the comparing.
Without tasting, I already want to make my guess.
Oh wait, there's not a blindfold.
I'm gonna guess this is the name brand. That's the store brand.
You just gave me a 1-up because I know your guess.
Okay. Although I do like those more, but I still stand by my guess.
Okay. Wait, can I guess the same? I'm gonna say this is store bought.
I said name brand store bought.
That's what I said. That's what I meant. Name brand.
That's correct. You're right.
Good job.
Round 3, Fruit Loops.
Okay, so there's two plates.
I pulled a plate away. Pull a plate.
I see that.
Pull a plate your way.
Or I feel that, I guess.
Okay.
Alright. Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
That's already giving like off-brand to me.
Wait, I think mine are good.
Okay, I'm going to your side, alright?
No. 1 second. Okay, switch. Alright. Sure.
Just
No, literally. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I feel like I should cleanse.
Oh my gosh, these ones.
I think I need to try again.
I think I might too.
Okay, I got my answer.
Point to what you think is name brand.
The real brand?
Yes. Yeah. You guys have different answers.
Oh!
Uh-huh.
What'd you do, like a Boy Scout knot?
Pull it up, that's about it.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot. Aww. That's the right one.
Yeah, it is.
Oh.
You were right.
Round 4, Chocolate.
It's decent. Alright, I feel like I already know, but... Me too. There we go.
Okay, I have my answer.
Well, they're definitely both chocolate. Establish that. Alright, I think I know too.
Point to the one you think is name brand. You're both right. Good job, you're both right.
Well, I don't know about you, but that made me hungry. Now Sophia Lasol gives us a rundown on a junior committing to play softball in college and 8 other seniors.
You know her as Brooklyn Kincaid, junior crusader on Marian's softball team. But her teammates know her as BK, Sprout, and B. Now, Kincaid can say that she is a jackrabbit. On October 26th, she committed to South Dakota State softball program. Here was her process. When did SDSU reach out to you wanting you to commit to their softball program?
The coach had texted me the morning of September 1st, which was the original day that coaches can contact juniors, and they had contacted me and said they wanted to set up a call, and I had called them and they had offered me right there.
Why did you choose SDSU?
I originally was not interested in the school, but when I went on my visit, I was told that it's a very welcoming community and the softball is very involved with the community and they do a lot of volunteering, and the school is just a very pretty school.
What are your hopes for this D1 softball program?
I'm hoping that we can get the team to go to the Women's College World Series. I've always watched it ever since I was a little girl, and I would just love to be able to play on the field and be able to have my family watch me on TV.
Committing to a school your junior year is a big deal, but we must recognize the seniors who have also committed to their future schools. On November 13th, 8 seniors signed their national letters of intent to compete in collegiate athletics. These girls were Elena Hauser, who will play soccer at Southern Illinois University, Edwardsville, Carson Hall, who will play soccer at Augustana University, Chloe Travis, who will play soccer at St. Ambrose University, Katie Hansen, who will play softball at Nebraska Wesleyan University, Easton Glant, who will swim at Florida Gulf Coast University, Madison Renan, who will golf at Creighton University, Lauren Kanowski, who will swim at Wisconsin Green Bay, and Addison Palmer, who will play volleyball at Nebraska Wesleyan University.
Thanks, Sophia, and congrats to Brooklyn and the other seniors. Next, we have Aubrey and Layla give us an inside look on the basketball preseason.
Marian held their basketball tryouts on November 18th and 19th.
What are you most excited for the season?
I'm most excited for getting closer with my teammates and the fast-paced energy that basketball brings to help us get better.
What's your favorite part about basketball?
I would say my favorite part about basketball is being able to travel with my teammates to different high schools and the environment around it.
What's your go-to pre-game snack?
Definitely a peanut butter and jelly, but if I'm feeling a little risky, then a turkey sandwich.
What made you decide to TM?
I decided to TM because I really like basketball. I'm just not a basketball player. And then I TM'd last year and had a great time, so I wanted to TM again.
What are you most excited for this year?
I'm probably most excited for the opportunity and chance we have at going far with this season. I love the girls, and I think this is going to be a really good year.
What is your main job for the team?
My main job for the team is social media, so I handle the Twitter and the Instagram for the basketball girls and just hyping the girls up to make sure that they're ready for their game.
Good luck on your season, Crusaders, and last but not least, we have an open house segment by Zariah and Sophia.
Marian held their open house on November 17th, 2024. Here's some
day at
insights
Marian. What's your favorite part of the school?
I would say my typical day at Marian is starting out in the cove when everyone's talking to each other. It's like a great way to like start my day off with all my best friends. And then I just go through my classes and then we have lunch. I don't know, my day at Marian's always great.
At Marian's open house, they had activity tables, athletic tables, and ambassadors took families around the school for tours.
People loved hearing about the Class A sports that we have here at Marian. They also loved hearing about all the amazing opportunities we have. The Marian Open House had such a great turnout. Thank you, Mrs. Kaur, Mrs. Sullivan, Mrs. Ernst, and all the administration for putting this together.
Thank you for coming out if you have. We look forward to seeing you soon.
Thank you so much, girls. And remember, I'm Naya.
And I'm Em.
And don't forget to study for your finals.
Signing off!